Next year in sixth grade, you will have the opportunity to sign up for different after school activities in our eighth period program. In eighth period, there are tons of different sports, clubs, and academic activities that you can be part of. If you want to make a difference in our school community or in the wider community, you can consider joining things like Be the Change, Student Council, or NJHS, which all have some type of service to our community involved, whether it be at the school or wider community level. You can make new friends in clubs like Legos, Dungeons and Dragons, and Lavender Leadership. If you enjoy sports, we have lots of different programs including archery, basketball, martial arts, and dance. There are academic clubs too, things like astronomy, robotics, math club, yearbook, American Sign Language, ESL support, and jazz band after school. If none of those suit you, there's always our drama club. They do a play in the fall and a musical in the spring. We look forward to seeing you next year.